Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can block channels on Telegram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just choose the channel that you want to block. So in this case, just remember guys, you can't block channel, but I'm going to be teaching you an alternative step related to blocking. So just go to a channel and let's say I want to block this channel. What I need to do is I can mute this channel forever. So just go to this top 3 lines button on your top right corner and then go to mute option. Now over here, as you can see, there is option which says mute forever. Once you choose mute forever, there won't be any notification, there won't be any calls or anything from this channel. It's similar to blocking guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.